The top 5 reasons why travel is essential for everyone. 1. Travel broadens your perspective, allowing you to see the world through different cultural lenses. 2. Exploring new places fosters personal growth, pushing you out of your comfort zone. 3. Cultural experiences enrich your life, providing unforgettable memories and lifelong lessons. 4. Travel sparks creativity, inspiring new ideas and fresh perspectives in your everyday life. 5. Adventure awaits around every corner, encouraging exploration and thrilling experiences. Embrace the journey. Subscribe for more travel inspiration.